Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. We have completed 8 tutorials till now. If you have not watched the playlist, then definitely go there and watch the playlist. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a video. So we are discussing about operators in Python. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about how bitwise OR operator works in Python. Let's start the video right now. Now I am inside my Python tutorial folder. So now I want to open this folder inside VS Code. So for that I will right click here and click here show more options and then click here open with code. Now the current folder is opened inside VS Code. In previous video we have seen how bitwise AND operator works. If you have not seen that video, then definitely go there and watch that video. The link is in I button. In this video we are going to learn about bitwise OR operator. Okay, so for that I will write here bitwise OR. Okay, and so the symbol is this, that is the pipe symbol. Okay, so bitwise OR operator works in bit level. So let's have a look on it. So let us take two numbers. Suppose I want to perform bitwise OR operator between 7 and suppose 5. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the binary representation of 7 and the binary representation of 5. Okay, so for that I will keep dividing by 2, then 2 3 ja 6 and the remainder is 1, and 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 1. Okay, so the 7 in decimal form is represented as 111 in binary form. Okay, so similarly we can find the binary form of 5. So for that I will divide by 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 1 is remainder, then 2 ones are 2, 0 is remainder. Okay, so now I will take from bottom to top. So the 5 can be represented in binary as 101. Okay, so now we will do bitwise OR operator between 7 and 5. Okay, so 7 or 5. Okay, this is the bitwise OR symbol. Okay, so now 7 can be written as 1 1 and 1, and 5 can be written as 1 0 and 1. Okay, so now we will do bitwise OR operator. Okay, so bitwise OR operator works in bit level. That means we have to perform OR operation between these two bit. Okay, so 1 or 1 will give you as 1. That means true or true will give you true. Okay, so here also true or false will give you true, and true or true will give you true. Okay, that means 111 is our answer. So if I convert this 111 into decimal number, then you can see it is only 7. Okay, so that means this is 7. So if we do 7 bitwise OR with 5, then we will get result as 7. Let's check it in Python whether it is correct or not. Let's create a variable var is equals to, I will take 7 bitwise OR 5. Okay, and if I want to print var, then you can see the result will come as 7. Okay, now I'll run it. You can see 7 is coming. Okay, that means 7 bitwise OR with 5 will give you result as 7. Okay, so let's take another example. Suppose I want to do 19 bitwise OR 14. Okay, so for that I need to convert 19 into binary form. So 19 divided by 2, 2 9s are 18, remainder is 1, 2 4s are 8, remainder is 1, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So if I write it from bottom to top, then 19 in decimal form can be represented as 10011 in binary form. Okay, so similarly if I calculate 14, then if I divide with 2, then 2 7 ja 14 and remainder is 0, and 2 3 ja 6 and the remainder is 1, and 2 1s are 2, the remainder is 1. Okay, so if I take from bottom to top, then 14 in decimal number can be represented as 1110 in binary number. Okay, so now we have to perform bitwise OR operator. Okay, so for that, 19 is 1 0 0 1 1, and 14 is 1110. Okay, so 1 1 1 and 0. Okay, so we can insert a 0 in the left hand side, no problem. Okay, so now 1 or 0. Okay, so we have to perform first 1 or 0. 1 or 0 will give you as 1, and 1 or 1 will give you as 1. 1 or 0 will give you as 1. 1 or 0 will also give you as 1. 1 or 0 is also give you as 1. Okay, so because in OR operator, only if both the condition are false, then it will give you the result as false. Otherwise, in every scenario, it will give you as true. Okay, so now we will convert this number into decimal. Okay, so for that, I'll write here 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, now I will write here 2 to the power 0 plus it is 2 to the power 1, it is 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. Okay, so now I will multiply them, multiply and then add them. Okay, so it is 2 to the power 0 into 1. Okay, so 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, so plus 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, plus 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, plus 2 to the power 3 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8, plus 2 to the power 4 is 16, 16 into 1 is 16. Okay, so if I add them, then I will get 31 as answer. Okay, so now I will get 31. That means 19 bitwise OR with 14 will give you 31 as answer. Now I will clear the terminal CLS, and I want to perform bitwise OR between 19 and 14. Okay, so if I write var is equals to 19 or 14, and I want to print the result, I just run this file, then you can see 31 is coming. Okay, you can see 31 is coming here. So in this way, bitwise OR operator works. So this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video, and check out the link in the description. I will provide you all these files so that you can refer these files to do practice. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.